So this is the Dr. Otek MTXR metal detector. So this comes with a good bag just to carry and put. So I already put all the parts inside it and then assembled it. For assembly there is another video that you can see on our channel, but here I'm just showing you a quick assembly. You put it the stick that you can just take it out from the bag and then adjust it. And there is a cable from the search coil to the detector that you have to actually coil like multiple times. I will show you the figure as well later on, but you have to make it a little bit coil so that it will not sway, and this is tight and not interfere with your metal detection. The other thing you need to keep in mind that this connector while you store, you have to take it out and then put it away from that. So there will be a 9-volt battery inside this detector, like the sensor on the top that I already put in. So you can just start and power on this whole metal detector. And then the other things you need to keep in mind that there is a screen guard on the top of the detector screen that you need to remove, so that it will not, the clarity and the visuality will be low. So this is the search coil that you need to keep in a certain position that I will show you later on with the 2 mode. So this is the detector screen, and I already removed the screen protector, but as you can also remove the screen protector before using, so that it is more clear and there is no issue with the clarity and the vision. The other thing I want to say is there are 2 mode, PP mode and a search mode. So you can adjust it for that, and there is a way that you have to use this metal detector in that position. So it should not go like a pendulum, but it should be like steady speed and the steady on the ground as parallel to the ground. So I will show the photo as well later on so that it will be clear to you. After all, like, this is a good metal detector. It detects metal, like different type of metals with a frequency to different watt to 6 feet or 8 feet, 6 inch and 8 inches, and you can also detect like coins and jewelry, and different indicator will glow. So you can see different indicator. So this is how you need to keep for the PP mode or the search mode. This is how you need to tackle the coil, that it will not sway but attach properly. You can make it more clear, like how many rounds you want to keep. So overall it's a nice detector for kids and adults to play with.